Hey, a lot of people are talking about AI agents now, but let's be honest, most people don't actually know what an AI agent is, and even fewer have built one themselves. So in this video, I want to show you something really simple but powerful, how anyone without any programming skills can build a working AI agent in just a few minutes. This one small skill can change the game for you. You will be able to automate boring tasks, test business ideas faster, and stop wasting money on slow dev teams or expensive software like SAP or Salesforce. This isn't just a theory. You're gonna build one with me. Let's go. What we are building today. So we are going to create very simple but smart AI agent. A bot that reads curated news from those sources that you like, filter them, summarize only the valuable info, and send this straight to your Telegram every day on schedule. So it's real world agent, not just a chat. And it's useful for any founder or operator who wants to stay sharp without drawing any content. So let's get into it. First, we need to find news, right? The easiest way is to use RSS feeds from news. And you can Google RSS feeds or you can do better. Let's ask Grok to find us some RSS feeds. So I would like to ask him, find me top 10 RSS feeds in AI tech, AI agentic domain. Okay, that's it. You can do either deep search, but I will do it fast without deep search. Okay, here's the result. We have the list of RSS feeds we can start using. You can check them one by one. Some of them may not work. I prepared one link that I like and I will use it, but you can find some more that you like. Now let's go to our automation flow. I personally recommend Any10 for a lot of good reasons, and if you're curious why, hit subscribe or drop a comment below and I'll make a quick video breaking down Any10 versus Make.com and why I think Any10 is better long-term play for founders now. So let's go to Any10. I have empty workflow, no automation here. Where we should start? We need to start with RSS, with link to RSS, okay? And I use, let's say, set node, and I will use RSS. I can specify the name of the field, and I should enter here the URL to the RSS, okay? And that's it. Now we can test this flow. This is the very simple flow when it activates when you click this button. So I can click again this button and see the input parameters of this particular node and output. And output, I see the RSS URL. Great. Now we need actually to read the news from this RSS. There is a RSS node, RSS read. And the only thing we really need to put is URL, right? You can drag and drop this field and you see it automatically read and show you what exactly it will look like. We can run test and see. Immediately it shows you that it has 20 news items with links, description, and so on. Cool. Now, next step, we need to combine all the news into one string. So we will further use this as the input for the LLM AI agent. For this purpose, we will use summarize node. Okay, I have this node summarize. I want to summarize content, field. I want to concatenate. I want to separate them with new line. Let's test it. Okay, I have concatenated content, all my news into one single stream. Great, next step. An AI agent node and connect it to my OpenAI GPT model to summarize the news. You will need an OpenAI account and API key. For this purpose, you should go to platform OpenAI, create an account, and then goes to organization settings and generate your API key. It's very simple, it's very easy. And let's get back. I want to create AI agent, and I will define the input below. I need to connect the model, OpenAI chatbot model. I have created an account, but you will not have it. You just need to create one. It's very simple. The docs explain everything. You will go and read step by step how to do this. And I connect, okay, let's say GPT 4.0 mini or GPT 4.0, which is better. Okay, it's connected. Now I need to pass my content, right? And also I need to pass not only the content itself, but I need to generate the prompt, what exactly I want to do with this content. For this purpose, let's ask GPT. I want you to generate prompt to summarize list of news for AI tech, AI agents topic. Provide Okay, I want to generate prompt to summarize news items, and I will ask ChatGPT to do this for myself. Okay, and here's the general prompt I need. You are the professional tech news editor, here's the top topic items, exclude what is not relevant. Cool, I like it. I just copy this and paste into my AI agent node. Okay, and here news items. Okay, let's test it. Cool, I see the result. I have the summary of tech news, and now the last step. I just want to send this to my Telegram. Telegram node, send the message, and I want to send the message, send the text message. Okay, you need to create the credentials. For this you will need to create a Telegram bot, but I already have it. Okay, so I just create one. I just use the one that I already have. The only thing I need to specify my chat ID. I just copy and paste. And the text. I just want to send the whole output here. And let's test it. Okay, it said that it sent the message, and let's finally check what we have. Okay, you see, in my Telegram, I have all the news summaries structured, filtered, and I can receive this on daily basis. If I want to receive this on daily basis, the only thing I need to do is to add additional node schedule. And I should specify I want to run this on daily basis every day, let's say at noon, and that's it. Let's test this up, okay. And I need to connect this to my flow. That's it. And now on daily basis, I will receive news that I'm interested in. So this is AI agent, and it's not just a bot, and it's definitely not just ChatGPT in a fancy wrapper. You just built a real AI agent, something that helps you think better, move faster, and stay informed. You can use the same approach for competitor monitoring, sales operations, customer support, anything repetitive. And subscribe if you want to stay ahead of the curve and build AI tools that actually save you time and give you leverage as the founder. Bye.